gardening channel. Today is April the 13th and we're going to be planting some lettuce, spinach, kale, and possibly carrot seeds in one of our garden troughs today. So we had lettuce in here last year and it did really good in here. So what we're going to do is we're going to rework the soil and we're going to put some of this eco scraps, natural and organic, all-purpose plant food in it. It's a 5-5-5 plant food, so it's a balanced plant food. It's made from feather meal, blood and bone meals, sulfate of potash, calcite, lime, and compost. So what they do with this is they take like the leftover food scraps and they figured out how to turn it into a compost to make plant food, and it's OMRI listed, so it is an organic one. And we're going to use this to recharge our soil. And we are also going to be adding some Epsom salt to it then. So I will have a link for this plant food down in the description. And you can go there if you'll be interested in it. And you can see what it is. So I have my garden tools here and we're going to start working the soil up. Because that's the first thing we want to do, is we want to start working this soil up. And we grew carrots in here last year and it worked wonderful for them. And I'm not using the tripod today because the wind is blowing and I don't want to lose the camera. I'm not using the tripod. So I'm going to work this all up here and then I'll come back and we'll put the plant food on. We'll be back. Okay, so I'm back and I got the whole bed worked up here in this raised garden trough. I was trying to think of the name of it, sorry. And we actually made this one here. And I already put the Epsom salt in. I was trying to figure out how to do this with the wind blowing. And I'm going to be adding some of the plant food here. Now, I did call the customer service representative today from the Eco Scraps company. And she told me that you can use this on all of your edible foods. So we're going to be putting some of this on here. And then we're going to work it in really good. Now they do tell you to wash your hands after you use this stuff, even though it is organic. Just going to kind of sprinkle it around here. And then we're going to mix it all up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my rake and I'm going to just mix all of this in here together then. I'm going to go back through the entire bed and just mix all of this plant food that I just put in all up. I'm going to go back through the whole thing then. So when I'm done with that, we'll come back and we'll plant our seeds then. Okay, so these are the, sorry about that, I'm getting a glare. The two lettuce blends we're going to be planting. One is a loose leaf lettuce blend, and that one matures in 45 days. So from 45 days from when it comes up, it should be ready for you to start harvesting. And then we're going to do a lettuce ruby crunch. That one matures in 50 days. So your lettuces should have full sun, and they should be planted about a 1/4 inch deep, which I already made little rows for them here. And we'll see about planting them. Now the wind's really blowing here, so we're going to see how this works. So these are what lettuce seeds look like here. And they can be white or they can be like a blackish brown color. And we're just going to plant them in here, and I'll start planting them here. And I'm going to plant this up. I can't quite show you right now because the wind's blowing. But you basically just, you can plant your lettuce, they say 8-inch spacing. I usually don't space mine that far. I just kind of put it in and let it grow. Another really good lettuce is a buttercrunch lettuce. That's one of our favorites. I'm not going to plant that one yet. It's a little early for us to plant still. We kind of get a frost up until Mother's Day. So they usually say after Mother's Day to plant. But we're going to try an early crop of lettuce. The pack even says that we can plant it in April. So we do have frost covers that we can cover this trough with. And one of the reasons why I prefer the lettuce in these raised beds over like putting it in the ground and stuff is the lettuce to me is a lot cleaner, and you don't have to bend down to try and harvest it. You can just, you know, stay standing, have your bowl there, and just harvest your lettuce off. So I'm going to plant the lettuce seeds here, and I'll come back and I'll show you then what else we're going to be planting. So you can see here, I have these here planted up, and I was having a hard time holding on to the pack of seeds and the seeds themselves from the wind blowing. So we're just going to gently cover these now. Because they only go 1/4 inch deep. And if you accidentally made your thing a little too deep, just go ahead and you can either fill it in or you can just let it down a little bit. Like, you don't have to fill it in the whole way. So we're just kind of going along here and just sort of brushing the soil over the seeds. And you can kind of tamp it down some if you want to make contact. We planted lettuce in this last year. It did very well for us, so we're putting it in one of these again. And it's so much nicer because you don't have to like bend down to try and harvest your lettuce, or it's a lot easier to take care of. So I'll cover the rest of those up later. Next we're going to plant our, hold on a minute here, our spinach seeds. Get it out here. Here we go. And spinach seeds only last about a year. So what I actually did with these is I put them in a Ziploc bag in the refrigerator. I put the whole pack in a Ziploc bag and I put the whole thing in the refrigerator, and that's how I actually store my seeds. And my lettuce seeds are pre-chilled as well. I won't even plant lettuce seeds unless they've been chilled first. So, this one here, it's a Palco hybrid, this spinach here. And it's ready to harvest in 30 to 50 days. So, I'll show you what spinach seeds look like here. And these go a 1/2 inch deep. So this is what spinach seeds look like here. Much bigger than your lettuce. So it's a lot easier to plant them. And I've already made my rows, so I'm just going to kind of go down through and just plant them. So my battery's running red. So after I have these planted, I'll come back and I'll show you then how to plant kale. Okay, so I have my spinach seeds planted, and I'm just going to go over and just fill in over top of them here. They go a 1/2 inch deep, And next we're going to be planting kale. And this is a dwarf mix kale. So I already planted some here. You can see the seeds right here. And I already have my little thing made. So I just kind of planted them in the row. I'm just going to cover over them here. And they go a 1/4 inch deep to a 1/2 inch deep. And these were chilled as well. I chill pretty much all of my seeds that way. I keep them in the refrigerator, the packs and Ziploc bags, and I just take out what I need when I want to plant them. And then I just put the rest back in the fridge in the Ziploc bag. So we're going to do carrots here. And I wish the wind wouldn't be blowing so I could show you exactly how I plant them, but it is. So these are our carrot seeds here. And this is a Danvers 26 half long. And we're also going to be planting a cosmic purple carrot. And this one here is an heirloom. I got it as a free gift last year, and I liked it so much that I bought more of them. So it's really good for like heavier soils and stuff, and I just love the flavor of it. Now this one here, you just surface sow it, you don't even cover it. And the Danver half long, you put that one a 1/2 inch deep. So I will show you here how to plant these. I think we might get some rain. And basically just do the same thing. Just come through and you plant your seeds in, and then you just cover them over. They say 3-inch spacing. Again, I don't always do that. I just kind of thin them later or something like that. So after I get these planted, we'll be back. Okay, so I got my carrot seeds planted, and the wind had a field day with those. So I'm just going to kind of brush over the tops here for the ones that need covered. And the ones that don't need covered, that said surface sow, we're just going to let them right on top. And there's a reason that they're telling us that. And even the seeds look a little different, so just kind of filling in here. Now I did have a chart before that you could lay out, and it had like different how far to space your stuff. And being that it's so windy right now, that wouldn't even work. So, and then just go ahead and water this then, and should be good to go. Now this coming up will depend on the temperatures outside, because they're going to kind of come up when they feel it's their time to. So you do want to check it though for moisture, because this will dry out quicker. So that's how I plant my lettuce, kale, spinach, and carrots in a raised bed. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit that little notification button. I'll try to put a new video on. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.